Hi everyone, this is Pawan and watching me on the channel called The Virtual Coach. In this video, I'm talking about the top Returnship program which is offered by the top MNC company of India. See, normally, not only in India, it also talk about the out of India also. See, normally when we talk about the losing the job, it generally happened with the mother. And if we talk about the early century, like in the 1970, most of the women were involved in the most professional courses. But now it is completely been dropped. The reason behind that, the woman will be having so many of responsibility. It may be responsibility of the small children, it may be responsibility of their family or husband. But the thing is, keeping all those things in mind, there are different companies, those who have taken initiative to start the Returnship program for that kind of women, those who have taken break in their career. So this is the basically Returnship program that you can say for the women, those who have taken break in the career for 6 months or one year or more than 1 year, it may be 2 years or 3 years. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that, the top Returnship program which is offered by the top MNC company. So without wasting a time, let us start this video. So what is Returnship program? I just read out for you so that it will be easy to understand you. So Returnship program is like an internship where instead of starting from the bottom, you get introduced to the previous role and it helps you to understand your role properly. Apart from that, you also get catch up with all the changes that happen during your absence. So this is what Returnship program means. Now we start with the actual video. So what else the opportunity which is given by the different organization. So the first Returnship program is the Google Next Innings program. So this is offered by the Google. So those who think that they are eligible for this kind of role, then they can easily apply by going to their website. Now what does this mean? I just read out for you. So this program is for women who are looking forward to going back to the career once again. Various experienced leaders come forward to guide and mentor you. Some of the people who got selected get a chance to work on the Google Cloud Score competency, and where you not only get to see development of the product, but also you gain experience from the experts. It is paid program for 6 months and can be only done in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Please remember the place. It can be done only in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Now to join this program, one must have 3 years of experience, must possess the bachelor's degree in computer science. So just try to listen what I'm trying to say, that whatever the eligibility criteria is there, I'm going to mention it here itself so that it will be clear for you to apply or not. So it should have a BE degree in computer science or other technical related fields. Apart from that, certain level of knowledge in programming is also required, and it is applicable for those women who have taken break of 6 months and more. So this is the time which is very important. If you think that you have taken break for 6 months, then you can join this program. So this is the first program that we're talking about, which is Google Next In program. So if you think that you're eligible for that, you can easily join this program, right? The second Returnship program is the Amazon Rekindle program. So what is this all about? Now, one of the largest e-commerce platform that has launched this Returnship program for the women who have taken break at least for 12 months of their careers. So if you have taken break for 1 year, then this is the right opportunity for you. Please utilize it. This program is a ladder for those women who want to acquire the same position that they were before in the break. So this is very important. So those who want to apply for this program must come with the previous experience, of course, in their position. After a candidate to join this program, informing regarding the interview will be provided them. Apart from that, they get mentored by the experienced people as well. So this is very important. So if you are thinking that this is right option for you, then you can go to the Amazon Rekindle program website. You can apply for that. Now if we move to the next program, we have IBM's Tech Re-Entry program. So what is this all about? This program is for those who have taken break at least for 2 years, right? So this is for 2 years. Before was for 1 year. Before that was for 6 months. Now if we talk about this, so this is for 2 years. So those who have taken break for 2 years and thinking to return to their place, women applying for this program must have experience before. The best part, even someone has taken break for 20 years, they can apply for this program. So did you hear that? If you have taken break for 20 years also, you can apply for this program. So this is the opportunity that you're getting all around. Now if we talk about the fourth Returnship program, is that PayPal Recharge India. So this is also one of the a tech company which is in India, and it is also giving opportunity. What is all about this? I'll try to read it off. So available in Bangalore and Chennai. So available in Bangalore and Chennai. Please remember the place. This program is for those women who have been working in the tech industry and has been away from their work from 1 to 5 years. Remember, 1 to 5 years. Why I'm stressing this? Because this is very important. You should be eligible for that. Now, through this program, one gets to join PayPal's boot camp, and some other also get into the skill building program and also get attractive job offers at PayPal as well. So this is what the thing about the PayPal. Now what still else they're talking about is that this program was launched in the year 2018 and attains the women to sharpen their skills and give them opportunity to work with the new technologies. Throughout the program, the candidates will be mentored by the experienced professionals, and the best from the rest will be taken full time for the IBM. So did you hear that? So this is also, if you work hard, if you stand out of the group, then you'll be taking to the full-time job at IBM. So this is very important. Now the fifth program that we talk about is that the Microsoft Springboard. So this is the Returnship program which is offered by the Microsoft. So we'll start. What is that? Now, the program offered by Microsoft in India provides opportunity for the women who have taken break for at least 6 months in their career. Now the applicants of the Springboard program must have experience of 4 years. The program is for 16 weeks, and it is said that, to be particular, for one woman who are trying to revive their career after the break, experienced leaders took the changes in the mentor candidate, and this is all about that we talk about now. This is basically for 16-week in Returnship program, and once you complete this, then you'll be joining as a tech leader for this Microsoft Springboard. And the thing is, if you have to be taken break for less than not more than 6 months. So this is the important thing. 6 month break should be taken. If you think that eligible for you, please go on it. Then the sixth thing that we have is that Accenture Return to Work program. So the sixth program that we talk, it is Accenture Return to Work program. Now what is this all about? Accenture Return to 16-week paid internship program. So what is paid in the sense, you'll be paid for the internship whatever you do. It may be around 30,000 to 40,000 based on the types of company that you're going to join. Applicable to those who are away for at least 18 months or more. Job training is offered through this program. Workshops are done to polish some skills of the candidates, especially the soft skills. After the tenure of the program is completed, Accenture offers full-time job opportunity to the candidates. So this is very important. So it is basically how many weeks program? It is 16-week paid internship, right? Now next, which is 7th Returnship program, if we talk, it is called Thoughtworks Vapasi. So this is again company name that we talk about. Now what is this all about? So just like the above program, Thoughtworks Vapasi is all about helping women to make comeback in their workplace after a break. Women must have at least 3 years of experience to apply for this program. Remember that 3 years of experience is required, and have taken break for 1 to 8 years. So this program provides mentoring from experienced leaders and helps to enhance the leadership qualities of the candidate. This program is hosted by the Bangalore and Hyderabad offices throughout the work, right? So if you think that you're eligible for that, then go on it. The website is thoughtworksvapasi.com, and yeah, this is all about the program that we taught. So if we try to conclude the video, so what is this is that women have proven their mettle again and again in every industry. The Returnship program helps the women to take charge of their career after the break that they took. All these Returnship programs provide a valuable skills mentor and the opportunity which helps the Indian women to make comeback in the professional lives as a bang, right? So if you think that if you are eligible for this kind of program, if you are taking break in the career, then this is the right video. Go to the website, respective website. You'll be redirected to their whatever the Google form. Then they will contact you for the further process. That's all about in this video. If you like this information, make sure you like this video as well, and if you want this kind of video in future, then make sure you subscribe also. So thank you so much for watching the video. So we meet you in the next video. Until that, bye bye and have a good day.